Fulham is pleased to announce an expansion to its line of VividHorse DirectAC LED retrofit kits as 230V to 277V options in 2 round forms and 1 linear form. VividHorse is the brand name used to signify our items that have color selectability, which all of these new items offer. What's more, one of the 3 new retrofit kits also features Power-Selectability, all of which we will cover in this brief presentation. In this first overview slide are the physical dimensions of each of the 3 new items and their wattages. Their color temperature comes factory set at 3500 Kelvin, but can be changed to one of 4 other Kelvin temperatures between 2700 and 5000 degrees Kelvin via a dip switch on the PCB. The 5-inch rounds also have power selectability, which comes factory set to the higher of the 2 wattages. These are perfect for industrial and commercial applications or for schools that oftentimes require 277 volts or for any other applications, as are listed here, including wall or ceiling mounted open or fully enclosed indoor luminaires with plastic or glass lenses. These are dry or damplication rated, so they can be used for a variety of decorative applications, including vanities. Here are specific attributes for the 3-inch round. Each of these 3 models also include a diffuser for optional use. This diffuser is 5VA flame rated. Moving on, here are the linear form factor details. And then finally the 5-inch round details, with the dip switch options for power and CCT selectability highlighted. The most important aspects of these are the 230 through 277 volt range, leading edge or trailing edge dimming at 230 volts and 277 volts, standard 90 CRI, emergency compatibility with Fulham microinverters, and incredibly low flicker. Although our 120 volt models are already designed for low flicker that meets US standards, we've stepped it up 1 notch further with these new models to meet both US and stricter European standards for low flicker. Each kit not only comes with the frosted lens, but also the mounting hardware, the input power connector, the appropriate retrofit label, and the installation instructions. Additional resources for these new models are online on the project page, such as the spec sheets, installation instructions, and a sell sheet flyer. Thank you for your interest. Please contact your representative for inquiries, samples, and orders, and be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and LinkedIn. Never miss Fulham's updates.